Hi, I'm glad you're here. This is Aishwarya from Meeedly, the world's best business to business meeting scheduling tool. I will be your host, guiding you through a series of advanced programming concepts simplified for easy learning and practical use. Let's jump right into it. In this video, we will write our very first Node.js script. We'll learn how to grab user input from the terminal using process.argv. This is the first step towards building your own command line app. Let's get started. In Node.js, there is something built in called process.argv. It helps our program understand what the user typed in the terminal when running the script. Think of it like a list that stores everything you typed after Node. This list always starts with two default items. The first item is the location of the Node.js program on your computer. The second item is the file name of the script you are running. Everything you type after that, like commands or extra words, it gets added as the next item in the list. So when we write, for example, const command equals process.argv2, it means grab the first thing that the user typed like add or remove. So in short, process.argv is how we read user input from the terminal in Node.js. Create a new file called Node.js in your project folder. You can do this right inside VS Code or using the terminal. Once the file is created, open it and type the following command. So this line creates a variable called input and stores process.argv in it. Like I said, it is a built-in array in Node.js and holds everything typed in the terminal when you run the file. Now let's type in more commands. So this line grabs the third item from that array, which is usually the command we want to run, like add, remove, or list. And this line grabs the fourth item in the array. We are going to treat this as the title of the node. The final one is the fifth item, and we will treat this as the body or the content of the node. Now that we have done this, let's print the statements and test it in the terminal. For printing the statements, we are going to use console.log. This is to print the command. Likewise, for title and body. So these three lines just print the values we pulled from the command line. This is a great way to test if the input is being read correctly. And we are not saving anything yet, we are just echoing the inputs back to the terminal. Now open the terminal and run the following command. Here's what's happening in this command. Node tells the computer we are using Node.js to run the script. Node.js is the file that we are running. Add is the action that we want to perform. The statement, "What can I buy today?" is the title of the node, and "Milk and toffee" is the content. So if you see this printed in your terminal, awesome. Your script is working exactly as expected. You have just built a tool that reads and prints user input. This might seem small, but it's a big step. It means you can start building real command line tools with Node.js. To wrap up, We have learned how to read user input from the terminal using process.argv and print it out. That's your first real Node.js script. Great job! I'll see you in the next video.